Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how can we enable our eye comfort shield in your Samsung phone device. Guys, you want to enable, so as you can enable it. And guys, now let's see how to enable eye comfort shield in our Samsung phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel, so I first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video friends. So friends, now time to start video. So first of all guys, open your phone setting and guys click on your display setting. So sorry friends, so guys now let's see. You can see guys your eye comfort shield. So as you want to enable, so as you can enable from this right side, and guys you can see eye comfort shield, turn on it. And guys you can color temperature customize from yourself. Keep your eyes comfortable by limiting blue light and using warmer colors. Using at night can make it easy easier to fall asleep. So are you friends, you have understood how to enable eye comfort shield in your Samsung phone? So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.